Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Incremental Nova. Today's episode is based on incremental finance, episode 2 for my portfolio. I want to show you highest yield dividend stocks in my portfolio, and some of them are as high as 29% per annum, which is really big amount. Usually, for example, you get 1.75 or 1.8% APR on your best saving accounts out there. Just compare it to the dividend yield of 28%. So, let me show you my portfolio. So, this is my portfolio today. I'm making just over $13. I built this portfolio over the period of 3 to 4 months. Before that, I was sometimes investing and then taking out money whenever I needed. And I think sometime in October, I decided to continuously put some money into this account and start my portfolio and investment. So, guys, let's build a portfolio in 2020 together. I'll share my stocks or my updates that based on my research, what I feel is good for my portfolio. Share the same with me. Let's build a portfolio together. Let's save some money and invest some money in 2020. So, getting back to the highest yield stocks. So, first of all, I want to show you a stock which is not the highest yield, but it is a very good stock which has given me a good amount of dividend over the past 2 quarters, I would say. So, this is Apple Hospitality. So, in for this stock, I own 42 stocks of this company, and they have a dividend yield of 7.64%, which is for every $100 you invest in a year, you will get back $7.64. So, in other words, based on my experience, they pay you 10 cents per share that you hold. So, I will be expecting $4.2 per month for as long as I hold these shares, or when company decides to change the dividend yield. But based on their performance, based on their historical past and their forecast and their potential, it seems that they will try to keep up with this dividend. Obviously, during recession, most of the companies they stop their dividends, and some of these high paying dividend companies they will just lower their dividend yield. But in all, you will be able to make a steady income out of these highest paying dividend yield shares. So I let's see if I can show you the history and dividends. All right, so for some reason I'm not able to view the exact amount of dividend that I'll be receiving on the web browser, although I can see that in my mobile app. So I'll post a picture of that. So here, do you see I'm due $4 on 15th of January. That's tomorrow. And over the past, just from Apple, I've got $2. That time I held like 20 shares. And before that, I was getting like 10 cents every week because I had only one share of Apple Hospitality. So this is my first pick for keeping the steady income coming to your account every month, or let's say every quarter. So first of all, my personal best is Apple Hospitality. They are into real estate investment, and they have a very good portfolio of real estate properties that they own. They also have a lot of other brands in their portfolio, and they have a very, I would say, a reliable and rich portfolio or real estate investment. That is why I believe that they have a good potential for paying at least this much of dividend for a very long time. Next one is Triton. I recently bought the shares of Triton, and as you can see, I don't have too many shares. It's just 5 shares for now. Look at the dividend yield, which is 5.22%, which is not bad compared to the industry standards. You just saw for the Microsoft, it is 1.26%. This is like 4 times of that. And I mean, $5 on every 100 that you spend on this company, you'll get back. And they are also a very good potential company. Just do your research about this Triton International Limited. They have uh, they have done very good in the past. I think in past month or two, I'm getting like 7% growth as well as 5% in dividends. So this is my second stock which is paying me very good dividend. Next one is NLY or Annually Capital. They have a dividend yield of 11.01%, which is really high compared to the industry standards, which is, as you have seen, 3 or 4% is considered high. Just imagine 11% here. This is a company which are involved in investment and financing of real estate properties like residential and commercial assets, and they operate through other investment groups. Some of them are mentioned here. Just read about them. They have a good portfolio of the investments, and I see them as a good candidate for my portfolio. And looking at their dividend yield, I think it is a good addition to my portfolio. I will be looking to add more of this into my portfolio later on as I do more systematic investment every month. Okay, let's look at the next one, which is NRZ, New Residential Investment. They they have a very good dividend yield. Let's look at that. I currently hold 2 shares of NRZ. You'll be surprised to see their dividend yield. Look at this number, 12.19% dividend yield per annum. So for every $100 that you spend or that you invest in this company, you'll get $12.19 back every year. So you'll get like $3 every quarter for every $100. So this is a good share to have it in your portfolio, and I will be looking to add more of this as I do more systematic investment. So do your research about this new residential investment, and if you feel like it's a good share, if you feel like it's a good value stock, just invest in this stock. Now let's look at the highest dividend yield share in my portfolio, and I'm sure you all are waiting for that. It is WPG, Washington Prime Group. They have a dividend yield of 28.49%. Can you just for a moment just think about it? If you spend $100 into this company, you will get back $28.5 every year. So suppose you keep this investment for, let's say, a little more than 3 years. Whatever you have invested for the share, you'll get that money back. So I will be looking to add more of this share. Currently, I own just 20 shares of WPG. I believe in taking some risk, not a lot of risk. There will be people who will be saying this stock is not going to perform, this is going to decline and all. So for me, I think for if I hold this account for next 3 years, I'll get my money back at least my money back. And for any other reason, suppose they turn around their business or something, and if they start making profit and they stay for like next 10 years, just imagine how much money I'll make. So you have to you have to play safe. I am not saying just invest all the money into this share and just wait for a very big paycheck every quarter from WPG. I am just saying that I would like to take some risk. I have also invested in government bonds, corporate bonds. I invested in high yield dividend ETFs of Vanguard and also in SPHD. And I will be trying to have like 2 to 3% of my portfolio dedicated to just WPG, because this will give me bunch of money back every quarter, and this will be one of the biggest driver of my dividend portfolio in 2020. Let me know in comments, guys, what do you think about this Washington Prime Group? Would you be doing more research, and would you be interested in buying this stock? Let me know. Let me know about any other risks that you see in my portfolio. Let's help each other. Let's build a portfolio worth investing in 2020. Well, thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. And if you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting with my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate if you guys can spend little bit of time and just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos on the same topic in coming weeks. I will also be creating a video around 4 to 5% very safe high dividend yield stocks. I I think you guys would be interested in that. And also let me know in comments if you guys want to know about anything else or any other share in my portfolio, and also any other share that you think is going to rock in 2020. Just share that with me. Please help me build my portfolio, and I'll help you build yours. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to exercise every day. Thank you.